Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change your profile picture on YouTube in 2019.
So first you need to open your account and click on help and feedback. Then here where it says describe your issue, just type in channel icon. And click on the second one. Then here click on Google account settings. Click on your old profile picture. Then just upload a new one. For example, I will choose this one. Click done. So as you can see, the profile picture is changed. So that's it guys. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below.